Hi, my name is Asma. I'm from India and a mom of two beautiful sons. So today I'm outside my villa having a nice walk and enjoying watching my little one playing his cycle. As you must have seen, that's my younger son. And my elder one is getting ready to come out as well. So a few months back, this was not the case. Few months back I was at my workplace during this time. It's around 10:30 in the morning and I was busy working, which never ended, and my little one, younger son, was with the babysitter. During that time, let me tell you, it was so heartbreaking whenever my husband used to take my little one to the babysitter. It was like a guilt. I used to feel guilty that why am I doing this, for whom am I doing this, when I'm not able to spend my time with my little one. I'm missing out on their growing years. That time I decided I have to take a decision, because I'm really missing out on those years which will never come back. They really need me now. Like my younger one is around 3 years, and when he went to the babysitter, he was around 4 months. You can imagine, so small. So that's why it was so heartbreaking to watch him, like really, to leave him with the babysitter. And the way he used to look at me whenever my husband used to take him, I used to be crying. He used to be crying. I used to be crying. So that was the time I decided that I need to take a leap of faith. I need to make a change in my life, because if I don't do that, I don't think so any other person is going to come and do that for me. They are my kids and I have to take a decision for them. So now you can see that my son is over here. I'll just show him to you. So you can see both my sons are here, are enjoying themselves, and I am there for them. I'm there watching them, creating memories with them. And this wouldn't have been possible if I wouldn't have decided to make a change in my life. If I wouldn't have taken that risk which is required to make a change in your life. So this business has given me that flexibility, flexibility of time, flexibility to be with my kids, to spend time with them. Otherwise, I feel the whole, I think so, even if I would have worked for around 10 more years, 15 more years, the situation would have been the same. That time also, a few months back, it was like we were not able to pay the bills, even though me and my husband were working full time. We always struggled to pay the bills, pay the rent bills, pay the insurance bills. So I feel that all that tension is gone, all because of the business. This business has given me everything: time to spend with my family, time to be for them, the income which I always required, by spending the time with them, by being with them. And I'm going to be always grateful to this business, that my precious time, precious moments of my kids, I will not be missing. And I took the right decision at the right time, because they are still young, and I'm there for them. I'm there to mold them. So I'm really grateful to this business, which is totally automated, and you get a one-to-one mentor to guide you at every step. So if you want to learn more, just press the learn more button, and see you on the other side very soon. Bye.